Hello everyone, welcome to Badgeskins. Here we'll be installing the third brake light overlay for the Mark 8 Golf models. Pretty well it's the same process. We want to make sure that it's nice and clean. You want to get in between the crevices and everything, but mainly that this whole flat surface area is nice and clean and dry. You can wipe it down with a microfiber cloth. Pretty well you have a few options. This one's a solid honeycomb with tint, so this is going to be overlapping that. All you have to do is just remove the Badgeskins from the backing like this. You can either fully remove it or you can do this where you just kind of fold back the backing, and all you can do is to line up the Badgeskin to the edge, and you just gonna work this all the way across, and you get same process as the Mark 7, 7.5s. You just want to make sure that it's nicely spaced and you follow the guides. So you're even all the way through. And here, I'm just going to remove this. Yeah, just keep that tension so you can guide it up and down. And then you just remove it simply at 180 degrees. And now for the imprints that you see here and here, same process. You're going to take a pokey tool or a threading needle, and you're just gonna put a bunch of holes around where the emboss is of the lettering. And you're just gonna take a heat gun, heat it up, and then you just press it down, and you'll see that it will actually match up to the lettering and take away that bubbling look. So just like that, pretty simple.